Hey, Rat Gang family, man, we gonna kickstart this with a prank right now, man. We gonna jump on monkey with the rats, you feel me? But usually we be going to car shows, but we don't care. All content is good content, man. We gonna keep it coming all 2020, you feel me? Y'all like, subscribe, it's right there, you feel me? It don't cost nothing, man. Appreciate the little 4 subscribers I got right now. Love y'all. You know what time it is. Yo. Master Splinter on the gram, dog. Fuck with your boy. Hey, Jit, tighten up, boy. Really from the city, bitch ass nigga. Add time, fuck nigga. Fuck you mean? I'm really from the city, bitch. Tighten up. Fuck you mean, Jit?
Yeah, 305.
305. Look what we do to rats, bitch. Look what I do to rats, bitch. I blow this whole head off in front of you, cuz. Stop playing. Yeah, this you right here, fuck nigga. This you. I drop your dumb ass like that. You hear me? Stop playing. Ain't nothing to talk about. Yeah, once a nigga say, Jay, he think I'm not from Miami. I'm from Miami. I'm on all that. I just got rats. You hear me? We not ratting. You hear me? It's going down. Say hi to the camera guy.
Fuck all that. You couldn't see me, bitch.
God damn, she got her titties out. Stop playing. You got to be a mannequin.
He always said that.
Yeah, let me put my rats on them titties. Let me put my rats on them titties, girl. Hey, this white hoe had her titties out, cuz. Oh my gosh. It's going down. Hey, Master Splinter on the ground, you hear me? Go follow your boy on the ground, show you right shit. Yes, sir. Master Splinter, I got 2 of them bitches, son. Follow me on the ground, Master Splinter 305. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I don't got frogs, I got rats. You hear me? Master Splinter on Instagram.
I got that.
I'm good off that. I'm doing crack down there. I'm right there, my brother. Man. Yes, sir. That's 2 rats, my nigga. They on my head. Yes, sir. Nigga, you funny. I fuck with rats. Master Splinter, bitch. Till you make it on, you hear me? You hear me? Got to fake it till you make it on. What's good? Master Splinter on Instagram, 305. Y'all go follow me. Instagram, Master Splinter. Man, go follow me on the gram, Master Splinter 305. This your cousin, dog, but look, now I'm playing. Go follow me at Master Splinter 305 on Instagram. Alright, that boy funny. That boy looking like a rat though, you hear me? You hear me? How you doing, beautiful? This is a rat? I got 2 of them. Add time real quick, add time. Add time. I'm the rat man, I'm Master Splinter. You ain't see my name when you added me? I love rats, look. These are trained rats, I love them. Did you not see my name when you added me? Big Rat Gang shit, you hear me? Yeah, I got 2 of them bitches, dog. Go follow me on the ground. Master Splinter, I'm on what, nigga? Oh, 2 female, please add me. How you doing, beautiful? What y'all doing? Hey, I ain't see my name. I'm Master Splinter, baby. 305 on the ground. Add time. Yo. Master Splinter on the ground, man. 305. Rap man, you hear me? Fuck with your boy on Instagram. Yeah, man. He's Jamaican. He there you go, boy. Oh yeah, we getting lit. Let me in the party way. Let me in the party way. Let me in the party way. I'm trying to get in way.
Yeah. Yeah, so.
Let's say.